Is this like church music or something? We're singing hallelujah. Hey, what are you doing, asshole? No, it's a crosswalk. Go ahead. Hey, Toyota, leave that delivery truck a blank space in the loading zone, you idiot. Oh, okay, never mind. Park in that loading zone instead. Toyota. No stop. No stop, Nissan driver. Yep, I knew those Nissan drivers were trouble when they walked in. Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. Wait, why are you on the shoulder? You almost got cut off by that truck there. Hey, stay on your side. Stay in your lane. Really? I'm willing to bet that the pickup truck guy was not going to What? Wait. What was that? Red light, run! Red light, run! Red light, run! No, stop! No, stop! GMC, I used to drive one of those things. But I'm never, ever gonna get back together with driving that thing. Red light, run! Red light, run! Red light, run! Really? Why do they always schedule garbage day on days that are windy? Stop it! Dive for the left turn lane. Dive for the left turn lane. Yeah, look at all the snow on that Chevrolet there. Get a paper snow brush and brush it off. Red light, run! Red light in the afternoon! Red light, run! No, stop. Tim McGraw doesn't approve. No, stop. Toyo, turn. Oh, jeez. What are you doing? Really? Ah, turn off the lights. Dang it. Those are too bright. Back up a shame. Yikes. Get that snow off your car. No, stop. Littering. You were littering there. Someone coming. Really? By the way, for all the people that bitch and moan that Syracuse is not upstate enough, well, let me tell you something. I am right now right on the border with Canada. How much more upstate do you want me to get?